Color. Black means kala.
This is black, the color black, black, black.
Blue color. Blue means nila.
This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue.
Brown color. Brown means bhura.
This is brown, the color brown, brown, brown.
Green color. Green means hara.
This is green, the color green, 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 green.
Gray color. Gray means salty.
This is gray, the color gray, 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 gray.
Orange color. Orange means narangi.
This is orange, the color orange, 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 orange.
Pink color. Pink means gulabi.
This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink.
Purple color. Purple means bangani.
This is purple, the color purple, 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 purple.
Red color. Red means lal.
This is red, the color red, 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 red.
White color. White means safed.
This is white, the color white, 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 white.
Yellow color. Yellow means pila.
This is yellow, the color yellow, yellow.